What is the main difference between a pine tree and the scrub? Answer: a pine tree is tall whereas a scrub is a small plant. Next question: what do the people like to see along the highway? Answer: along the highway people like to see green grass. Next question: what is the message given at the end? Answer: the message given at the end is be the best of whatever you are. Come to the English workshop. Read the words and the names given below and put the bigger one in the big circle and the smaller ones in a small circle. Musky, tree, pine, lake, bass, bush, highway, scrub, reel, sun, star, trail. This is small circle and big circle. Now we put the smaller ones in a small circle and bigger ones in a big circle. Let's start. Scrub, reel, bush, pass, star, trail in the smaller circle and the pine, sun, highway, lake, tree, musky in a big circle. Come to the next and write the pairs of the rhyming words from the poem. Here are 4 rhyming words. First, prove, do. Second, here, near. Third, trail, fail. And last, star, are. Now, come to the next question. Complete the following with appropriate words or the phrases from the poem. First one is done for you. That if you can't be a pine, be a scrub. If you can't be a tree, be a bush. If you are musky, be a bass. If you can't be a captain, you can be a crew. If you can't be a highway, be a trail. If you can't be the sun, be a star. True or false? All must be the captain of the teams. False. A bit of grass can make the highway happier. True. We win or fail depending upon a size or position. False. A scrub is found at the top of the hill. False. If your work is not important, don't do it. False. Whatever job you have, do your best. True. Come to the next. This is the appreciation of the poem with the help of the points given below. Write down all these points in your notebook